my channel, and if you are new here, hi, I am Lisa, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go and subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video on YouTube. And you can also follow me on Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. So from this month I am going to start a new series, that is monthly favorite, on my channel. Although it is not new on YouTube, but it is new on my channel. So yeah, so basically I am going to share everything that I like and it's my favorite in that particular month. And I hope you like this idea. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with today's video. So the first thing that was my favorite in the whole month is this eyeshadow palette. This is a Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette. I have mentioned this in my Nykaa haul. I have used this in the whole month and I quite like this eyeshadow palette because it is pigmented, it stays on your eyes and it's quite cheap. So yeah, these are the shades of this eyeshadow palette and I quite like this. It is very good for any beginner. If you are starting with makeup, I think this palette is very handy for you. So that's why I love this palette in the month of September. So the next thing in my list is a face mask, and I am literally obsessed with face mask. I am trying new face mask every time. So this time I tried this Good Vibes Papaya face mask, and this face mask is very good. It's so hydrating and you will get a lot of quantity in it, and it smells exactly like papaya, and you can see how much I have finished it. And इसको लगाने के बाद you will feel your skin so smooth and आपकी skin बहुत अच्छा हो जाएगा. So I love using this face mask, so that's why this is my favorite in the whole month of September. The next thing in my list is a nail polish. So this is K Beauty nail polish in the shade. So this is in the shade Tender Lavender 09, and this color, this lilac color, is my favorite nowadays. So yeah, that's why this nail polish is my favorite. This lasts for around 2 weeks and iska pigmentation is superb. If you wanna try a good nail polish, I think you should go for this, or you can go for Nykaa, but this color is so beautiful. So if you wanna try this nail polish, I think you should go for it. You will never regret about it. So the next thing is a lip combo, the lipstick that I am wearing, and this is not just one lipstick. I have wore 2 lipsticks at a time. So the first lipstick is this Nykaa Mini lipstick. This is in the shade Chai 18, and this is such a pretty color, man. This is so nice brown tone color, and this looks beautiful on every skin. So if you like brown tone shade, you will totally love it. So you can always wear it on a daily basis, but I like to mix this with this lipstick, Nika K lipstick in the shade. So this is in the shade Turkish Rose, and this two combo is so bomb. You can see I love this lip shade. मतलब मुझे ऐसा ही थोड़ा nude brown ऐसा color मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद करता है. So that's why I love to mix this shade and wear. And I literally wore this 2 shade in the whole month. So this is absolutely my favorite in the whole month of September. So the next thing in this list is this microfiber towel. This is the makeup towel and it removes makeup so easily. Like literally मैं वो cotton pads से अब तक makeup remove करती थी, but so that is absolutely not good for environment. So that's why I wanna try this fiber, this microfiber towel. So you just have to put your makeup remover in it and you just have to massage it to your face, and it works wonderfully and it will remove all of your makeup. So I think this is a very good purchase, and that's why I love this one, and this is my favorite in the month of September. Guys, I will put every product's detail in my description box below, so don't forget to check it out. So in the whole lockdown period and even now, I am into self-portraits and I love to click pictures on my own. So I recently discovered this shutter button. So I got this from Amazon and it is so handy to click pictures. You just have to switch on the button and इसमें ऐसा blue light जल जाएगा and then you have to connect it with your phone and that is so easy. And you have to just click here and the phone will take your pictures. It's so nice, right? So that's why I think this is so handy and it is absolutely my favorite in this month. And yeah, I will use this so much. So the next and the last thing that is my favorite is this tripod. So this is from Amazon again and it is so cheap, man. I was not into, like, I don't want to spend too much on a tripod because I am new into this field and I want to experiment myself. So it was so difficult for me to shoot YouTube videos and click pictures. हाँ मैं जुगाड़ कर लेती थी but it was so hard and मेरा फ़ोन बार बार गिर जाता था and that is not good. So that's why I thought to invest in a tripod but in a budget. So I invested in this and it works so well. I am so happy with this tripod. This is my favorite in this whole month. And yeah, but now let's talk about my favorite series in this month. So in this month my favorite series was Lucifer, and guys, if you haven't watched it, please go and watch now. If you're into detective things and also angelic things, so you should watch this one. And Lucifer, man, this man is so handsome and इस टॉम को तो भगवान ने फुट सेट से बनाया है, टाइम लेके अच्छे से बनाया है. That's why he is super handsome. So if you haven't watched Lucifer, I highly request to go and watch it and you will love it. I know you will love it. That's it for today's video. These all are the things that was my favorite in the whole September month. And if you like this video and if you like this series, please give a big thumbs up and also comment down below. And if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Help me to grow my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video on YouTube. And you can also follow me on Instagram. This is my Instagram handle and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.